I'm not surprised that different civilizations have chosen this land for so many centuries. I didn't hear you arrive. Wonderful place, isn't it? By the way, I'm Pedro. Pleased to meet you. We're in the region of Murcia. Well, to be exact, we're in Playa Calblanque, next to La Manga del Mar Menor. This is one of the most beautiful areas in the entire southeast of Spain. Leisure, culture, sport, gastronomy. Here you can find all these and much more. Would you like to know why this place is so special? Well, come with me and tell me, where would you like to start?